Welcome to the future of logistics. I am right here in the logistics hub in our Panasonic Customer Experience Center in Munich. Today I would like to welcome a guest of our trusted partner Cetis. Markus is with me and will introduce the Cetis Image ID solution for barcode reading. Thank you, Markus.
Our solution is able to scan each pallet while driving through the gate. We can directly verify if the pallet is intended for this destination, and additionally we have a photo-documented proof of the goods condition while the transfer of pallet. Is the pallet loaded incorrectly, or if we detect a loading process but no label was sticking on the pallet, we will immediately give an information to the staff member that he is able to unload the pallet to rework it. But let me show you. As you can see here, we can not only detect an SSCC which is sticking on the pallet, we can even go down to box level to verify each box and see if there is any issue on this. And if we detect an issue, we show it exactly to the operator that he is able to rework it to solve the problem.
Great stuff! Thanks, Markus, for explaining. Image ID is only one solution for inbound operations. Let's hear about barcode cameras for inbound and further tracking solutions next time. See you!